Alright, well, today I'm going to attempt to install this steering wheel cover that I got a while back. It's called the loncky, maybe? Maybe you can get the QR code. Oh, there's also one in here. That glare off. I think this might be for maybe what I ordered. I don't know, but let's see what's in here. So you have a little deal, some needle, and looks like something to cover your fingers. Maybe some double-sided tape. And then here is the actual cover. So let me get this out of the package. I'm going to get in the truck, and it says you don't have to take the steering wheel or anything off, so we're going to attempt to do that. I'm going to try to film as much as I can on that. Actually, let me show you this too. This actually came with the installation demonstration, it says. So shows you how to do the threading, the needle. So anyways, let's get to it. Nasty. You can see right here where it's like the leather's degraded a lot.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that
I got that part.
it was built to last, yeah.
Came out pretty good. Guess I just gotta tie this off somehow. Figure that out. Alright, well, it's probably hard to see in here, but you see I got bottom part pretty much done. It's probably clipping the light, but so my battery died. Of course, it's hot, so it's not helping. But anyways, let me see if I can hook this on and get some of this last one. But this is taking way longer than I anticipated. It's pretty tedious. It's not super difficult, but if you want it to look good, I guess you got to try to be, you got to try your best. And like I said, it's tedious. And anyways, let me post this camera up again real quick, and then see if I can get the rest of this. All right, well, finally got it done. I hope there's enough light out here to see, but came out great. I'm like really happy with it, honestly, with the colors I picked and how it went on there. Was it difficult? It wasn't difficult, but it was tedious. Some of these areas, like in these corners and stuff, pretty tedious, kind of a pain to get in there and then shove the material inside. Not the easiest thing to do, not the hardest thing to do either, but anyways, you see the stitching. Hopefully you can kind of see it. It's kind of dark, but see if we can get a little better picture of it right here. It's hard to get in there and see that stitching, but anyways, job is done. It was super hot. My camera kept shutting off. Just honestly way too hot to be to be out here doing this, but I just wanted to get it done. I've had this thing before. I went and dropped my truck off to get bagged, and I just never put it on. But anyways, this is I believe it's called the loncky steering wheel cover. I got it off Amazon. They let you pick what colors. They have all kinds of different options. So I think this is like a perforated leather, and then this is like an Alcantara, and then I put a little bit of different color Alcantara for the little center stripe. But really happy with how it came out. Hopefully in the video we'll be able to see how good it looks. Definitely way better than the original steering wheel. Plus I had that little mess going on right here. I wasn't sure about putting the little sticky tape, but honestly I think it's probably a really good idea to put the sticky tape when you do it. It really didn't get in the way like I thought it would. I just kind of took where the seam was, I lined it up with the old seam on the back side, and then everything just kind of lined up. I kind of just paid attention to the spacing right here, and then kind of try to mirror it over here, and it came out good. I'm happy. Anyways, I know I'm rambling in this video. Just if anybody has any questions, leave them down in the comments, and on to the next one. Peace.